Ugh. I hate that spot. So hey, I am trying a new camera angle today. It is now mounted here instead of here. Slow down, be nice. Somebody hit one of the poor chickens back on Wednesday. So they had a dead chicken, poor thing. It did nothing wrong but have butthead owners. Anyway, where the hell was I? Maryland, yay! So I'm doing a different camera angle. My biggest concern is seeing over the windscreen and seeing the road. Because I don't, you know, I'm still feeling my way through some of this to try and figure out what people want to see. What kind of angle, what kind of, you know, when I get on the battlefield, I think the higher angle down on the roads, because the turns are much tighter. I figure people want to see that more. Oh! Bet you didn't miss that one. Sometimes I get a little lazy. It happens. More often when you're showing off, though. Oh, what's all that dirt? So what is this? Is it hay or something they're growing this time? I like that a little better because it doesn't hide the deer as much. When I do the corn, man, this place, it's like riding down, you know, 8-foot corn on the left and right, and you're just running down in the middle of this thing, and it's you know, a real guessing game if and when something's going to shoot out at you. So yeah, of course you can't do 90 miles an hour down through here. Then you shouldn't be doing that anyway. Shouldn't be doing that. Ooh. I get some beautiful rides in around here because you're up kind of high on a plateau, and today's not as great with the sun coming up. Well, I gotta check my camera angle. I think I've been shooting in narrow. I thought I changed it. It don't look super wide to me. It looks like I gotta get a longer arm and get the camera a little further forward. Little stuff. When I get into the office at lunchtime, I'll jump on Amazon, order some more. Hey, Cardinal, be good. Eagle's nest out there. I'm almost absolutely positive it is. Look, you got two big birds sitting on top of there. Usually there's one, at least one. And we see them around here. Unfortunately, it's every time I don't have a camera on. The Open Great Bridge. I got some photos down here yesterday. It was pretty cool. Monocacy River, still pretty high up. Hopefully I was able to get that for you. There's a cool little waterfall up there. I got photos of that. Maybe if I remember, which I think I will remember because I'm going to talk about it when I go into editing, I will remember that I have some video of there and some stills. So I'll mix them in. Maybe I'll throw them in right now.